Method 1. How to restore iCloud backup by Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery. Step 1. First download, install, and launch Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery on the PC. Log into your iCloud account with your Apple ID and passcode. Step 2. After signing in successfully with the correct Apple ID and passcode, the two-factor authentication interface will appear. Key in the code you get on the iPhone. Step 3. Choose your desired file types, then click Next. The software will start scanning your iCloud files. Select a category on the interface and choose the files you need. Step 4. At last, click on the Recover to Computer icon at the bottom right corner. Your files will be restored from the iCloud backup without resetting the device. Method 2. How to restore data from iCloud on a new iPhone. Step 1. First, ensure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. To update the device, head to Settings and choose General. Locate Software Update and check if there's a new iOS version. Download and install it using the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Make sure you've backed up your iPhone. However, you can still do that right away by heading to Settings. Click on your name at the top and select iCloud followed by Backups underneath Manage Storage. Then check the files you wish to backup. Step 3. On your new iPhone, go to Settings and choose General. Choose Reset and then select the Erase All Content and Settings option. Step 4. Your iPhone will restart automatically, so you have to set it up as a new device. When you get to a screen showing apps and data, select the option for Restore from iCloud Backup from the screen, then confirm using the same Apple ID and passcode. Step 5. Choose the latest backup file, then click on the Restore button to restore iCloud backup data to your new iDevice. Method 3. How to restore backup from iCloud via iCloud website. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and sign into iCloud.com with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. You will find all your backup files on the website. Access the file type you need by tapping on it.